So it's been a month since I've last uploaded a video, and this is why. It was just a regular morning, just like every morning, same routine. Yeah, I live out in the suburbs. I'm driving into the city. I live in St. Louis. I work in downtown St. Louis. Same routine, same route I take just about every day. And of course, this is after the fact, but you don't anticipate on ever getting into an accident. You follow the rules, and sometimes you just get unlucky. And this is kind of crazy because it's coming right up here, but bam, this could have been an accident right here. That guy is going down the wrong way on a one-way street. Could have been an accident. Got lucky I didn't get hit there. And then I go down this street, and I'm going speed limit. You can't really speed here. There's a lot of people, a lot of cars pulling out, so you have to be very cautious. And where I got hit was about 2 blocks away from the parking lot that I was supposed to arrive at. And you don't think about it, but just like that, boom. And you see that fire truck? Yeah, that fire truck saw everything. And just like that, bam. She's gone. Total. I was furious. I was so pissed off. In my mind, I knew exactly what happened. I don't know if I blacked out, but when it happened, I was just like, what the fuck? I was ready to step out of the car and go, what the fuck, man? What the fuck? What did you do? Why? But first thing I did, first question I asked was, hey, you okay? Everybody okay? It's just the right thing to do in that situation.
No, the cops and paramedics are here. Everything, yeah.
Okay, alright. I'm glad you're okay. I'll go ahead and make a note of that.
Alright.
Thanks to you for being W7.
Thank you. So, it's totaled. She's totaled. It sucks. Did you see it?
No, but this is my car.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got clipped. I'm sorry.
So yeah, all airbags deployed. It was total. I mean, frame damage. If you were looking at the photos and you didn't see the video, you probably thought it was my fault. It looked like I just rear-ended a parked car. But insurance, their insurance took 100% fault, and the police officer concluded that it was his fault even without seeing the video. So what was weird about this was, not weird, but the hood is so crunched in that I couldn't open it. I couldn't grab my tune. I couldn't grab anything from under the hood. They had to actually take a forklift and pry open the hood with a forklift. And when they towed it, they damaged the front wheels. They just took a chain, wrapped around the front wheels, and dragged it. Here's images from Copart. You can kind of see that basically the front wheels are, and look at that wheel. That's gone. That wasn't even like that after the accident. So that must have been from them dragging it around the junkyard. Yeah, you know what? It's on Copart. If you guys are interested, you guys can pick it up. I would love to see this car live again, but I have a feeling it's just going to be parted out. It's a beautiful car inside and out. It was perfect condition. Paint was perfect. Interior was perfectly clean. Before me, it was just one owner, and I babied it. I took care of it. So that's it. That's my baby. Goodbye. Sucks, but you know what? I'm alive. I'm getting another car. Probably getting another Beamer. You guys will find out. I'll let you guys know. Unfortunately, my adventure with the 428 Grand Coupe is over. I didn't make a video on this, and I didn't actually get to make a video on Liquid Moly with the N20. But before it went away, I ran a 13.7. at a quarter mile at 90-degree weather and 60-degree humidity. So I felt like she had a 13.5 in her, and that's pretty awesome for a little 4-cylinder. But that's it for her. And you know what, 13.7 with just a dyed-in sport tuner and an AFE drop-in filter, that's pretty freaking awesome. That mid 13s, that's 335 level quarter mile. So and all I did, oh yeah, and of course Michelin 4S PS tires. That makes probably all the difference right there. But yeah, that's it, guys. Stay tuned, subscribe. There's more to come. It's just right now, I'm feeling a little bit down. My baby's gone. So, also, if you guys have a suggestion for what I should get next, leave the comments below. Thanks for watching.